Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I am so freaking excited about this truck. I have been eagerly awaiting its arrival for many days. This is a 96 T100 Evergreen Pearl Metallic two-tone with silver. This is a Southeast Toyota truck, so that is factory port two-tone paint. Look at that frame. You guys, just look at that. Newer deep set of BFGs, SR5, original rear bumper. This is the only little dinger on the truck right here, you guys. My PDR guy's coming tomorrow, he'll take that out. That's about the only flaw on the truck right there. This truck is absolutely on another level. Rear bumper, no dings, no dents. This is the original bumper. Now look at this. Look at the undercarriage of this thing, you guys. This truck is literally just, there's not words for it. This truck is the nicest one you'll ever see. Look at this frame. This is all original, you guys. This is an Alabama truck, an Alabama garage kept truck. It actually takes a little bit of work to keep a truck looking this nice in Alabama. Not a lot, but a little bit. Factory markings on the frame still. 11/2 production date. Factory stamp. Just unreal. Be sure to watch this whole video because at the end of the video I have to do the undercarriage portion of it. Look at that. You guys, this T100 is absolutely freaking amazing. Now, I mentioned earlier it's a Southeast Toyota truck, so this two-tone paint was done at the port. Came from Japan, came into the port in Jacksonville, Florida. Paint was done as well as this. That is factory leather interior in a T100, boys and girls. I have this little handle coming from Toyota. I ordered it today. It will be here on Thursday. Factory original floor mats. Look at this. T100. How freaking rad is that? Every VIN sticker is still here. All the paint is original except this bedside has been repainted. No Bondo or anything, but it has had that bedside painted. But the paint looks really, really nice. Clean Carfax, no accidents, no damage history. Look at this leathered up steering wheel, you guys. It's like somebody drove this with gloves on. It is just unreal. 66,000 miles. Factory CD and cassette. Four-wheel drive, of course. 4-speed automatic. I can tell you right now that if this truck was a manual transmission, you guys, it wouldn't be for sale. It would be in my garage and I would be keeping it. Now, I still love an automatic and I was half tempted. But I actually got the Tacoma of my dreams on trade today, so I will be keeping no more trucks as I have enough of them. Back to the leather. Southeast Toyota. Alabama, Florida, Georgia, North and South Carolina. If you buy a Toyota in one of those 5 states, it goes through a Toyota distributor called Southeast Toyota. Southeast Toyota can install all kinds of awesome items, including leather, two-tone paints, wheels, tire packages. On newer cars, there's all sorts of stuff you can add. But this leather would have been on this truck, listed on the window sticker when this truck was sold brand new. So it didn't come from Japan with this leather, but this leather was port installed by Southeast Toyota before the truck went to the dealership when it was new. I've never seen another T100 with leather. I know you haven't either. Carpets and upholstery in this truck, you guys, are on a whole nother level. This thing is absolutely unreal. Floor mats are still in exceptional condition. Leather's in fantastic shape. Dash is in awesome shape. Look at this. Still has the original Toyo Guard sealant in it, you guys. How freaking cool is this? I can tell you right now that this jack and tools have never been out of this truck. That spare tire in the back has definitely never been on the ground. It still has the original sticker on it. Get our seatbelt buckle out there. You guys, this T100 is just unreal. I can't express enough how amazing it is. I get a lot of really cool gems in here. This T100 is absolutely as cool as it gets. Rarity through the roof, 66,000 miles, unbelievably well cared for and maintained, you guys. It runs and drives perfect. Tight as can be. Timing belt, water pump, all the big service just got done. Just look how clean this thing is. Now, here's where it really gets good. FE, 3.4 liter V6, 96 is the second year for the 3.4. If you're looking for a T100, the 3.4s are definitely the better way to go than the older 3 liters. This engine compartment, you guys, is just on a whole nother level entirely. It's amazing. Brand new timing belt, water pump, tensioners, pulleys, spark plugs. All the fluids are fresh, all the filters are fresh. Tires are in terrific shape. I'm not gonna lie about the tires. I bought new tires and put them on my 85 and took the tires off my 85 and put them on this truck. But they're in really good shape. They're like 80% new all the way around. KO2s. My truck won out on the new tires. But this thing is on a whole nother level, you guys. It's just absolutely stinking awesome. Extremely rare, 66,000 original miles, no accidents, no damage history, clean Carfax, all the original VIN stickers. I mean, look at this original zinc plating on all of this stuff, you guys. Just look at that. This truck is amazing. Let's go have a look-see underneath it, shall we? All right, you guys, here is the undercarriage of my favorite T100 I think that I have ever had. I am just in love with this truck. It is so clean, 66,000 original miles, out of Alabama. And this thing, you guys, I mean, just all the hardware is still shiny and still see all the zinc plating on everything. All the stickers, frame markings, everything is here. Still has the factory, the pink markings on the bottom of the original shocks. Still has the sticker on the spare tire. Just wild. And this thing is 30 years old. And it is just phenomenal. This is my favorite part right here. All the T100s have this frame stamp, but this right here, that is literally a paint stick from the factory. So 11/2 was the production date. That's 30 years later, you guys. That factory frame marking is still there. Just unreal. New idler arm, pitman arm, everything's new on the front end. This thing is as tight as they come. There's no slop in the front end. It drives terrific. Very, very, very tight. This thing is just awesome. No leaks. Dry as a bone underneath. Saw the original factory paint mark there on the bottom of the differential. Just an amazing truck, you guys.